Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing Autosol's brilliant chrome and aluminium polish. What I'm going to use it, test it on, is the old exhaust off the ST. So basically what we're aiming to do is get rid of all this just general minginess off of it. What I'm also going to try and do, because this is a full stainless system, so I might actually try hitting some of this with it as well, just to see how it does. So yeah, we're going to give it a bash on this, see if it's any good, and yeah, so let me just set you up on the tripod. Right, so this is what the tub looks like, or the tube, sorry, if it'll focus. There we go. So this is what the tube looks like. So I'm basically just going to use a microfiber towel as usual. I'm not worried about it being a clean microfiber this time around because, well, it's going to get absolutely minging cleaning this up. So take a small amount, kind of about that size. Then we're just going to rub it in and see what it does. Yeah, it was quite dirty. So one thing I've noticed straight out of the gate is it struggles a wee bit removing tar spots. So if you'll see, I'll try and find a tar spot for you. So pea-sized amount again. I'm basically just rubbing it in. Now you can see the tar spots. It does struggle to remove them. I mean, it does take them off, but you just need to give it a little bit more effort than, say, a tar remover would. So I mean, in theory what you could do, I'm not sure if it would work or not, but you could use a tar remover first, take all the really heavy tar deposits out of it, and then come at it with this stuff. And just wipe it clean. I mean, look at that. Now, it won't take out things like this, because this is just scratching from it having rubbed against the back bumper and stuff, so it won't remove that, but I mean, look at the shine on that. It's pretty good. Set you up on the other side. Right, so now we're on the other side. Same thing again, small pea-sized amount, and just work it, just back and forth, up and down, all the usual ways I tell you to do things, or recommend that you do things when I'm using polishes and things. That's quite impressive. So we'll just try a little bit of this really manky pipe here, just to see how it does. And if it does a really good job, what I might do after this video's finished is I might use a DA polisher and just go over the whole thing. Look how dirty that is. I mean, my God, look at that! Look at the difference. So obviously, this is the bit that we just. So obviously, this is the bit we just rubbed here. Old. I mean, that almost looks like new. I mean, obviously it's not. I don't know how old this exhaust is. This is the old system that came off my Focus, because I've just put a new Cobra Sport exhaust on it. But yeah, it's pretty good. So yeah, guys, that's it. Review of a very quick review of Autosol's Metal Polish. Brilliant stuff. I think it was, from memory, it was £7 out of my local car store. Yeah, really good stuff. So yeah, guys, like I say, if you liked the video, would love a subscription from you. Trying to get to 100 subscribers, so every bit of help would be very much appreciated. Cheers.